Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basel on June 30, 2023. 3-star Sudoku. Second grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come. These cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 8. It will come in either one of these cells. We will confirm later. 3, 8, 9. Second row, we have 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. Column F, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. It will come in another these cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 3. Column J, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, we have 1, 3, 9. Then 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. Column G, we have 1 and 9. 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 1. So 1 can't come this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. Column G, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row, column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 4th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column D, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 9. 6th row, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 6. 10th row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 5, 6. 7th row and 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then only is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 5, 6. 9th grade. And column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 5. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 6, 8, 9. Column F, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, column E, only 1 number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 4, 8. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. Column I, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 6, 7. Column J, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. column I, let go 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column H, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 10th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 6th grade, 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column H, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.